Find features that distinguish it from other brands for MAXLANDER 2400 watt portable inverter generators, 120 volt quiet outdoor generator. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Powerful home use generator. The MAXLANDER 2400 watt inverter generator, powered by a 79.7 cc 4-stroke OHV engine, offers an impressive maximum output of 2,400 watts for daily normal use. It stabilizes at 1,800 watts, effortlessly powering a wide range of household appliances. This makes it an ideal choice for keeping your home running smoothly during power outages. Lightweight, portable, and quiet. This outdoor camping generator weighs only 39.7 pounds, making it very portable and suitable for easy transportation to different locations. In addition, it operates at a low frequency of 62 decibels at an altitude of 23 feet, ensuring that it will not disturb your peace whether you are at home or outdoors. Comprehensive power panel. The power board of this inverter generator is a prominent feature. It includes an oil alarm indicator, fault indicator, running indicator, and an ideal switch, Eco mode, to optimize fuel consumption. There's also a CO alarm indicator for safety, a 4-in-1 digital pane for easy monitoring, AC reset, 2 AC sockets, a USB output for charging small devices, a grounding terminal, and a grid-connected output socket for added versatility. Reliable backup power. With an EPA compliant design and a built-in CO sensor, the MAXLANDER 2400 watt provides a safe and stable power supply. You can rely on it as a trustworthy backup power source for all your essential electrical needs. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.